Y'all, top of the day, top of the morning. Welcome back to a new video. We out here in Kentucky, Louisville for the Macc Mid-American Truck Show? Mid-American Truck Show. We out here with, you already know, AAA, Unpredictable Steve.
We out here, baby.
What's up, man? We got the ladies up front.
You know the
Took
vibes.
over.
They don't want to drive.
Listen, yo, we drive
The driver and the
countless hours, man. So when I get back home sometimes, I bet you gotta drive. But you the man. We've been out here on this road too long. But anyways, we're gonna be popping up at the show today, and I'm gonna just vlog. You know, we're gonna be out there meeting, networking, getting with some of the people that we've partnered with. It's gonna be a vibe. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna be here for the weekend, man, and we also gonna just have some fun out here and do some exploring. And you know, depending on the weather, it's kind of cold. So we out here. You wanna say what's up, man?
What's up, fam? What's going on? It's gonna be a vibe this weekend. We're with the AAA family, Elizabeth and Steve, and we're just gonna be vibing.
Yeah, you know she gotta be extra on this stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna see y'all in a few. We about to run some errands, get some breakfast, and yeah, deuce. Alright, y'all, we back over here at the trucks. There go AAA, wifey in the Jeep with Elizabeth. So we stayed over here last night, but this was just a quick last minute thing. We weren't sure if we were gonna get here last night, so we booked this last randomly. But anyways, you about to head over to the other hotel where we gonna be at while we gonna be at the truck show. Alright, y'all, so man, I'm out here getting perfect. Parked. My dog Ricky done just rolled up. Load him up, Ricky. What's good, bro? What's good? We out here live together. Load him up, Ricky. He got the whole camera. He doing the whole thing. But yeah, we about to head up to this truck show like I told y'all. So, but we're gonna chop it up for a little bit and then head on out. Yo, what up, dog? We got Ricky in here. We got AAA, Unpredictable. What's the deal? Bay driving.
I love it. Like now I see
AAA dispatch queen in the front. Yo, Steve, you're not a backseat driver at all, dog. Like, you feel everything back here, bro. What we looking like?
Well, it might be something right there where them people are getting in the car.
Gotcha. What's the best entrance to get in?
Right over there, okay?
Okay.
And you get your tag and all that stuff.
My man.
All right.
Appreciate you.
Okay, go up there.
All right, boss.
Be good.
Right. Back end be good, babe. Yo, all right, we just down here at the Macc Trucking Show. This is all new to me, man. I've never been to one of these shows. But we do Hotshot, but we still truck. You feel me? All right, y'all. So we are in this truck show, and like I told y'all, man, I do not know what to do with myself. It's the first time for everything, so we are about to check in and then walk around and, you know, check out some of the vendors and some of these badass trucks that's out here.
Yo, Mac, what you got, bro?
Oh, yo, Mike Products always taking care of us, man. Got some little goodies, you know.
Yes, sir.
Can't even.
Steve over here got a bag, too.
All right, y'all, so we are still here, but yo, we are with Mighty Products. As y'all know, these are our affiliates. Sunshine and Stephanie, if y'all want to say what up, we are vlogging, but y'all already know, man, this is where I get all my products, all my supplies, everything. You guys already know I got links in the description. So we just out here meeting and greeting and getting to know the people that we actually work with, so it's pretty dope.
Y'all in the clip. Y'all in the clip.
You want me to be in the clip?
Hey, no, I'm trying to do a B-roll real quick. Bae, hold on, please. This is not working, bruh. I can't get content really like this. Thank you.
I'm outside. Ooh, wait. Hey, look, check this out.
I'm on Macc.
Hey, we at Macc right now. You on Instagram or you on TikTok?
We all over.
We all over.
YouTube, Facebook, Instagram.
Oh, that's for the YouTube. That's for the YouTube. All right, I'm here with Miss Jerry right now. Hey, let me tell you something. If you smoke weed and you and you trying to drive a truck and you can't get, don't smoke no weed and you think you finna get your license, cause else you're gonna have to go through the SAP program with Miss Jerry. Miss Jerry, tell them what the SAP program is.
Look, the SAP program is a substance abuse program, so we focus on prevention. We don't want you to get there, but if you get there, we help you navigate. So we have a YouTube channel, Life on the Road Recruiting. We educate drivers on how to navigate through that process.
All right. Wait a minute. Hey, what's going on?
They out here live with it.
We outside. Hey, what's going on? Look at him. That's a professional right there. Look at that. He got the road mic and everything. Hey, he look like Hey, what's going on?
What's up, Hotshot Macc?
All right, Hotshot Macc, he over here looking like Lil Jon. Yeah! Yeah!
Hey, what's good, y'all? So we actually leaving right now, man, but we came late. I really was just kind of getting the energy and getting the vibe. We'll be back out here tomorrow. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more tomorrow, but we about to probably go eat, and yeah, man, it's a whole nother world in here, you know, when you talking about trucks. But yeah, we'll be back. Yo, we back out here. It's day number 2. We here late, man. I'm not sure what we doing or what, but I'm about to, y'all can warn me, son. I'm about to go real quick. Yo, there's a bus coming. We're here, man. We're gonna check out these trucks, meet some more people. Yesterday we met a lot of people. I didn't really put out the camera because I was enjoying the moment, but I'm gonna show y'all some trucks. My wife is about to pull up. We got Hope out here again. Yes, sir. Yo, we back out here. Yo, say what up, fam. We out here. But nah, y'all, it's day 2, man, and we late, fashionably late.
But show them the drip, though. Show them the drip. Hold on. This man out of control with it. He, look, what? Why you doing him like that, bro?
Yo, it's just something light.
Hey, look at the merch.
Yeah.
He out of control with it, man.
Hey. Yeah, yo, that's a reminder right there, man. But all right, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all inside. Man, this is gold right here.
with the plan.